I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Plug the watch in until it has at least half battery, then power it on. On your iPhone, make sure Bluetooth is on and Wi-Fi or cellular is active so the devices can communicate. Open the watch app and tap Start Pairing. This kicks off the sequence. Once done, align the iPhone camera with the animated pattern on the watch face or choose manual pairing if needed to securely link the two devices and move to Setup choices. Next, you choose whether to set up as new or restore from a backup. Pick Restore to keep apps and data, otherwise select New. Sign in with your Apple ID when prompted so services like iCloud, Activity, and App Store sync. This is why it matters. Make choices for location, Siri, and diagnostics to enable features and troubleshooting. Create a passcode on the watch to secure payments. If you have a cellular model, opt into carrier setup now or finish it later through the watch app. Finally, allow the watch to sync apps, settings, and health data. This can take several minutes, so be patient and keep devices close. Once syncing finishes, test notifications, make a call, and check heart rate to confirm everything works. If cellular was selected, verify the plan in settings. If pairing fails, restart both your iPhone and Apple Watch, toggle Bluetooth, and try pairing again. Often a restart clears transient issues. If problems persist, contact Apple support for guided.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.